So right here, this is the image or the photo that will be removed in the background right now. So what I want to do right now is I want to remove all these backgrounds right here, all these background that we have right here. So what I want to do is, if you check at the description of this video, you see the link to this particular website that we want to use right now. So this is the website that we want to use to remove this background. So we're going to clean off this background off right now. So you can use this technique to remove any image or photo background that you want to reuse for any purpose. So what I want to do right now is I want to locate this photo in my folder. So what I want to do is to drag from here to here. I'll just drag it from here to here. When I drag it from here to here, then you see it's uploading already. It's uploading already. Then I have all the background removed right now. So I'll click on download. So when I click on download, then I will open my new image, and you see that the background has been removed. So you can see this is the old one, this is the one we just removed, and this is what we have here. Guys, don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Don't forget to click the bell icon so that you can be aware when I drop content. Thank you for watching.